Ano unahin ko? Insurance muna, emergency fund. Alam mo, pareho siyang mahalaga, pareho siyang protection. Kapatid, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang na mag-ayos ng finances mo, may isang tanong na madalas na lumalabas. Emergency fund or insurance muna? Yan ang pag-usapan natin. Hi there, this is Shingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. No, this is the question that often asked. Ano unahin ko? Insurance muna, emergency fund. Alam mo, pareho siyang mahalaga, pareho siyang protection. Pero kung limited ang budget mo, ito yung dapat natin talagang pag-usapan. So, very important po talaga, before we even start anything, you just need to understand ano ba definition first ng emergency fund. Okay? Ang emergency fund is a specific amount of money, yung monthly expense mo na nakatabi para sa biglaang gastos. Huwag naman po sana mawala ng work, mawala ng kita, medical emergency, biglang may repair ng bahay o sasakyan. Ito po yung hindi natin ginagalaw, no? So, just in case, parang spare tire siya ng sasakyan. Hindi naman natin tinatanggal ang spare tire, di ba? From the car, right? Just in case. So, ang recommendation ng karamihan, hindi ko naman inimbento to, at least 3 to 6 months. Bakit 3 to 6 months? Just in case, like for example, di ba, mawala ng work. Within 3 to 6 months, I do believe you can find another work. Hindi ka ma-stress, hindi mo kailangan mangutang. So, how much the amount? So, the amount is dependent on your monthly expense. Kung ang monthly expense mo ay 30 times 3, 90. Pagka 6 months, 180,000. Ang purpose nito, again, uulitin ko, magkaroon tayo ng safety net. So next, what is insurance? Ang insurance naman ay protection naman laban sa mga malalaking financial crisis or risk. Like for example, hospitalization, disability, or yung breadwinner na wala, critical illness. Like for example, malaking problema, minsan lang to mangyari sa ating lifetime, pero pag tinamaan tayo, yung may potential na ma-zero ka. Like for example, can you remember 2020? COVID, di ba? May kakilala ba kayong mga nagkasakit, di ba, na ospital? Magkano hospital bills? Hundreds of thousands or even millions. Di ba? So, one critical illness or one hospital bill can be able to wipe out lahat ng pinag-irapan mo. This is where yung insurance comes in. Kaya nga, ang question lang, ano ba talagang depression nito? Ang emergency fund at saka yung insurance ay parang protection. Pero magkaibang role. Emergency fund is more or less on the short term. Ang mga tinatawag nating insurance is for the long term. Ang emergency fund is probably small to medium emergency. Ang insurance is para yung mga malalaki, large o emergencies. Emergency funds can protect your cash flow. Insurance naman can protect naman your financial wealth. Diba? Kasi sa totoo lang, ito isipin mo mabuti. It took us a lifetime to earn naman. It took a lot of discipline to save the money, but it only takes one financial disaster to wipe out all of your hard-earned money. So kung titignan mo, hindi sila magkalaban, magka-partner sila. Now, the next question, ito na yung pinaka-importante. Ano ba dapat unahin? Kung limited talaga ang budget mo, kung super limited talaga, urgent talaga, kailangan is emergency fund. Yes. Kahit mag-start ka na maliit, 5,000, 10,000, at least meron ka. Diba? Tapos number 2, pag nagkaroon ka na ng emergency fund, immediate na, get a basic insurance protection. Lalo na kung ikaw ang breadwinner ng pamilya. Diba? Just in case something happens, diba? Meron kang protection talaga. Diba? Yun yung kagandahan. Ang tanong, anong magandang insurance na umpisahan ko? Alam mo, para sa mga taong kapos, wala ka pang masyado talagang funds, pinaka-basic talaga, tanungin mo yung term insurance. Term insurance is just like car insurance, you renew on an annual basis. Mas affordable, abot kaya. That's number 1. Number 2, yung tinatawag na whole life insurance. Kung medyo may kaya ka na ng konti, nakaka-LL ka na, whole life. Ang ganda kasi ng whole life, hindi mo tinatapon every year, yung pinabayad mo will accumulate until such time you will stop payment and you're insured for the rest of your life. That's number 2. And the third, yung tinatawag natin na 2-in-1, VUL, mix of both. Okay, meron ka ng whole life insurance, may investment ka pa. So, hindi lang na protektado ka, pero kumikita pa rin yung pera kahit di ka na nagwo-work. So, if you want to have more information about that, please talk to your friendly neighborhood financial advisor. Finally, mahalaga ba talaga yung dalawa? The answer is yes. Imagine, kapag wala kang emergency fund, di ba? Pag nag-emergency ka, mangungutang ka, may stress ka. Kapag wala ka naman tinatawag na protection or insurance, pag nagkaroon ka ng emergency, lahat ng ipon mo, wipe out. It's not emergency fund versus insurance. Ang tamang mindset is emergency fund plus insurance. Yes, yes, yes mga kapatid. Sana naman na liwanagan kayo. Kung meron pa kayong, let's say, katanungan regarding this matter, di ba? If you want enlightenment, please, pakitype na lang sa comment section ano pa yung prevailing question. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ba to eh. Paano ba mag-start? Paano ba mag-invest? Please, isulat nyo na lang lahat ng mga questions nyo. I would be glad to make a video just for you. Don't forget to follow and subscribe this channel. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.